This is the Meerkat with FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, let's take a look at a trade that we had in the GrokStar Room this morning, and it was on NUGT, N-U-G-T. That's the gold miners bullish ETF to the 3X. We were playing it to the downside. Here it was after opening. Look at that. It was running down, and then it bounced up here and tag this $20 even money amount. This is what we're setting up for what we call a bear pullback. Want to know more about that? Go to our free chart school at FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com. And right here, Chart School, you just press on that and you come to this page, and here's a listing of different stock trading patterns, and this is a bearish one. This is called a bear pullback or a pullback sell. Touch on that, you go right to the page, and here you can see a picture of it where it runs down, bounces up and hits hit on a line of resistance. In this case, happened to be the $20 even amount, and if it starts to roll down, odds are in our favor. Now, if you want to study this a little bit more, you can print it off, and then here's some examples of real live charts where it's happened before. These happen to be daily charts, and I'm working on a 1-minute chart, but the same principle applies. All right, let's get back to our chart on NUGT, N-U-G-T here, and it went up here. Now we've got to set our trade, let the market come to us. This is going to be a lesson in managing our stops. And let's see what happened next. Bam, there it goes, and it fell down, and it filled at 1975. That's right, short NUGT at 1975. Let's set a stop up here, right just right here where those last swing highs were at about 1%. Bam, there it goes down again. Alrighty, now we're pulling our stop down here above this 20 moving average. It's falling down here, right up here, not quite in the money yet, but very minimal risk here. Oh, it did pull up right to that area, and then look at that, drop right back down again. All right, so now let's bring our stop to break even. Now we have a risk-free trade. Love it when that happens. And let's see, it's bam, there it goes. Let's pull it up here. Let's watch this trade. Look at that. So it was low basing here for a long time. We can just draw it in here like that. Look at that low base here, nicely done. In fact, it was even pinching a little bit here, wasn't it? Look at that. Look at that. We were already short, and bam, look at that. And going in our favor. Cool. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that. Now we're going to be moving our stop down here to the 20 moving average. Now we're in the money by about 1% in the money. This is cool as it's basing down here. Let's see what happens after that. It's basing again, a long time hanging down here, a long time. And there it starts to coil over here. Now, when it was basing here for a long time, I went ahead and I set a trade to get half of it out. Right here at 1850 it was basing, and so as soon as it broke down, I got out of the first half at 1845 for 6.5% on the first half. Ooh-ah, love it. That happens, don't you? And now let's see what happened after that. Can I bring in my stop here following this 20 moving average, as it's moving forward here now. What's going to happen? And it going. Again, right here at the 20 moving average, right at the 1850 area, and look, it tagged it once, and boom, there it goes. It popped up right here and got me out here at 1850 on the second half for 6.3%. So let's take a look at this whole trade here now. Look at here, was a bear pullback, and we got in, and then it ended up forming a symmetrical triangle, or a bear pennant as it would be called. But we were already short. We were just managing a stop here, and bam, as soon as it broke down there, we had a risk-free trade going, and the more we moved it down, the more we were locking in profits here, folks. And then it finally did bounce out of that 20 moving average and got me out on the second half. So this total trade was for 6.4% in 47 minutes. Ooh, doggies. Well, this was just one of 3 trades that we had over 5% in the GrokStar Room this morning. You're welcome to come join us. 30 days for free. Just go to groktrade.com and check it out. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that when great fishermen catch a big fish, they don't keep the head and the tail. They only keep the meat of the fish. Well, in trading, we're never going to get the top. We're never going to get the bottom. And just like in this trade, it bounced off of it slow, but still made plenty of profit. We keep the meat of the trade. Trade well.